Welcome to Content Catalyst, your guide to smarter tech learning. Ever wondered how companies process huge amounts of data in seconds? Meet Apache Spark, the lightning-fast engine for big data and AI. Getting started with Apache Spark. Spark is a powerful, open-source framework used for distributed data processing. Unlike Hadoop, Spark processes data in memory, making it way faster. Why Spark matters today? From real-time analytics in finance to powering AI and machine learning apps, Spark is the backbone of today's data-driven world. Hands-on with PySpark. If you know Python, PySpark lets you build your first data pipeline easily. It's perfect for students and early professionals looking to break into data science. Apache Spark for machine learning. Using mlib, Spark's built-in machine learning library, you can run scalable tasks like classification, regression, and even clustering, all at massive scale. Optimizing Spark performance. For professionals, Spark isn't just powerful, it's tunable. Learn best practices like memory partitioning, caching, and resource tuning to maximize speed and efficiency. Whether you are a beginner or on your way to becoming a data pro, Spark is your must-know toolkit. Like, share, and subscribe to Content Catalyst for more data-driven insights made easy.